Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add overlay to CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already opened my CapCut application on my phone, and I have created a CapCut project as well. And the first thing we have to do is we're going to drag the material first. I'm going to drag this clip to the timeline. And if you want to add overlay to your project, you just need to select the video that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this video as an overlay, so we can just drag the video like this to the timeline, and the second clip will be overlaid on our project. Okay, and now the overlay has been added, and if you want to add another overlay, you just need to do the same step. For example, I'm going to add a video from the CapCut library. Then I'm going to select this video, so we can just drag this video to the timeline. Okay, and now the video has been overlaid to the CapCut project. And if you want to reorder the layer, you just need to click on the clip that you want to order the layer. Then you're going to click on the basic option. Then you can scroll down until you find the layer option. Okay, just click on the clip, then you can order the layer right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.